Did this problem happen to you too? You can use 5 methods. Check your iPhone storage. Go to the Setting, General, About, Available to check the storage. Update iOS. You should go to Settings, General, Software, Update, and install now. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Open iTunes and connect iPhone to it. You should go to Summary and Restore iPhone. Reset iPhone. You should go to Setting, General, Reset. Reset all settings. Use the tool TunesKit. You should search it on the internet. This software can fix more than 50 iOS system problems. One is standard mode and the second is advanced mode. No data loss using the standard mode. It can fix iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Apple TV. To find Mac version, then you can download and install it. Now I will tell you how to use this software. Click to enter or exit the recovery mode. Use the standard mode to fix your iPhone. Check the information of your iPhone. Click the repair. Now the repair is finished.